Washington Gas is one of the corporate co-sponsors of the DC Infrastructure Academy, a specialized workforce development initiative in the District of Columbia. The aim of the program is to bring more career opportunities to DC residents by providing essential training and hands-on experience in energy sector jobs. The DC Infrastructure Academy was established in 2018, and as of September 2021, over 1,700 students have graduated from all parts of the program.
DCIA is a shining example of how Washington Gas and our contractors can work together to build our workforce. We knew that the facility would open doors to a brighter future for many DC residents and prepare citizens for good-paying careers, allowing them to support themselves, their families, and also increase the mission of the DCIA. Our partnership gets to the heart of our core values of giving back to the communities in which we operate and which we serve.
Partnering with Washington Gas is really a no-brainer. For 172 years, Washington Gas has served this whole District of Columbia, Maryland, Virginia region. And so it makes absolute sense to build the future talent pipeline of district residents that are ready to work and serve in their communities.
Washington Gas is pleased to offer the tools, resources, and expertise to help the program thrive. Students visiting the Washington Gas Pipetown Training Facility learn about safe work practices in the natural gas industry and more.
You learn about tools of the trades. You may know some things already, but you may also learn things about construction, digging, things like that that you never knew, or you never knew how things worked out.
Main thing is everyone, all the instructors especially, have been so welcoming. I think they have good intention to make me feel like, hey, you're a woman, but it's okay. You can come on and get in here too, and there's a lot to offer to everyone. In the next year, I'm just hoping that this program leads me to a long-standing career.
In addition to hands-on learning at the Southeast DC Training Center, graduates also obtain OSHA certifications, CPR training, and job interview and resume writing skills that will make them strong candidates for open positions in the energy and infrastructure field.
You've invested your time, you've got these skills, this opportunity, and now you have the opportunity to set off on a new career path in really expanding your career beyond just the entry point.
You joined a wonderful, diverse group who, like each of you, has demonstrated commitment, hard work, and determination to earn an industry sought-after, recognized credential. So congratulations to you from us here at Washington Gas.